Oh, hello. Okay.
Don't do it. Girl, what the hell? Girl, you ain't supposed to do that.
What? What is going on? What the crap? Hi, baby. Hi.
This isn't your house, but it's my house. You can come in, though.
Oh my God, she wants to get in. Look.
Get him, Nicole.
Hey. You're not gonna...
Baby, he wants to come home with us. Oh, I'm gonna cry. He loves you.
No. I do not need it. I do not need another cat. No. Don't come here.
Told you it was a little kitty.
Oh my
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?